this is overstill.
6 years ago, the last time I went to Zurich, which was for my 20th birthday on a trip to Italy with my mom, I would have stared at the Portuguese girl speaking in a foreign language across from me on the train of fascination. Now, I miraculously got tickets for her because now one of those Europeans I used to just gaze at in total awe is one of my closest friends I think I've ever had in my entire life. So this was a little different kind of trip to Switzerland because I'm very used to having a routine there when I go by myself, going to Cope by myself, writing in my journal by myself, looking out the window on the train by myself. And this time I got to do all of those things with somebody. And it's really weird for me at the age of 26 to start having these experiences of compromise and traveling with someone, but it's fun to have them. So we stayed alongside the lake at a little town called Staffa, and then we got ready and headed back to Zurich for the Eras tour.
If I butter it down, will we just be alright? But it could take me all your life. Let's dance! I say no key. I don't want anybody seeing me cry now. I don't wanna think it for me. Just watch my walk this way. Where you from? You might be the one who's finding me. You can bring it back this time, give me what you want. See, it's easy to ignore. Try in the Bitch, it's hot. In the real world. No crowd of friends applauded. Your hometown skeptics called it champagne problem. You're back, leave the sun. Wishing I could write my name on. Life's so light. You're your case. Guess I should've known from the look on your face. That you like, and when we go crashing down. everything was just right. I could feel the mascara run. You told me that you met someone. Glass shattered on the white clock. Everybody moved on. Help, I'm still at the restaurant, still sitting in a corner I hung, cross-legged in the dim light. This here was a sad sight. I stayed there, dust collected in my pinned up hair. I'm sure that you got a wife out there, kids and Christmas, but I'm unaware 'cause I'm right there. What I know is I don't know how to be so luminous. I never thought we'd have a last kiss. I never imagined we'd end like this. Your name forever remain on our lips. Good girls, hopeful they'll be, and long they will wait. 'Cause we had a beautiful magic love there. I'll keep up with our old friends just to ask them how you are. Hope it's nice where you are. Into my melancholia. The sun would never end the mirror. It must be exhausting, always rooting for the anti-hero. Kills me for the money. She thinks I left them in the will. The family gathers round and reason, and then someone screams out, she's laughing up at us from hell. Is everybody me? Hi, hi, from the government, tea time. Everybody agree. Just what we wanted, and he never thinks of me. Since when I'm on TV. Good on the clouds and should be once, should be twice, step by step from town to town. Speak like justice, coming is a queen, coming is a boyfriend, coming is a god, coming is a piece in my hair on the weekend, coming is a relaxing thought. Make some noise for my phenomenal backing vocalist.
This is me holding my friend's passport just because it makes me happy. We had a really, really nice room with a full kitchen, lots of space for us to spread out all of our makeup and outfits and stuff. And yeah, this was us the next morning, really dead, really tired, but we had just this great little room. Made some breakfast, got to enjoy the little kitchen there and our little balcony. Then we were gonna take a boat ride back to Zurich, but it got messed up. So we just kind of walked alongside the lake there in Staffa. Very typical Swiss vibes, but this was Laura's first time ever coming to Switzerland. So I really enjoyed watching her reactions to culture things, the lakes, the mountains, how expensive food is, etc., etc., the swans, the birds, things that we're not really used to seeing in Paris every day. And of course, no trip to Switzerland's complete without going into Cope. And we did make our way back to Zurich. I was going to go meet someone because someone brought me something from the US actually. This was the line of people queuing for the second night of the show, which was crazy. I don't understand how people do that. I'd be so cranky and tired. But after trekking my way back out to Letzigrund, we made our way back to Bellevue Plus, which was Platz, sorry, I'm French now, I say things in French, which was very nostalgic for me because I was here 6 years ago with my mom, and it's just, I don't know, it was a wake-up call for me that 6 years ago I would have been dying to be in the situation that I am now, which is living here, having a close European friend, getting to travel back to Switzerland all of the time. So it was a really big marker of seeing how many things I've done the past 6 years and how far I've come, and how tacky as it is, grateful I should be that I get to do some of these things a second time, like climb up to Lindenhof and take pictures with a camera that I now have. Yeah, that was our trip, a little snapshot, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.